Let's make a yummy vegetable soup. Yay! Let's cook! Chop, chop, stir, and cook. Learning veggies, take a look. This is a carrot. Carrots are orange. Orange carrot, crunchy and bright. Into our soup, what a tasty sight. Potato! Potatoes are great for soup. This is a tomato. Red and juicy. Red tomato, round and sweet. Soup is gonna be a treat. Broccoli is green. Green broccoli. This is corn. Yellow and yummy. These are peas. Little green balls. Bell pepper. Look at all those colors. Wow. Spinach is green. Into the soup it goes. Orange, red, yellow, green. Veggies make our soup so clean. Carrot, tomato, peas, and corn. Healthy veggies every morning. We wash our vegetables. Clean veggies are ready to cook. Let's prepare the potato. Ready. Carrots go chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, carrot round. Healthy veggies all around. Potatoes are going in. Plop, plop! Now we add our carrots. Whoa! Green broccoli goes in. Red tomatoes are next. Yellow corn. Green peas. Yummy. Look at all those colors. Stir, stir, stir. Stir it round, stir it slow. Watch our veggie soup now grow. Our soup is cooking. It smells so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What color is the carrot? Orange. So yummy. Vegetable soup is delicious. So good. Vegetables can be part of a healthy meal. Eat the rainbow.
Potato, peas, and corn. Veggie soup from dusk to morn. Stir it, taste it, dance around. Healthy veggies all around.
Soup time! Cooking is fun. And cleaning together is fun too. What did we learn today? Vegetables! And how to make soup. Learn, cook, eat healthy, and have fun. See you next time. Carrots, peas, and broccoli too. Stir it out.